Yo, it's Aaron. Behind the camera is my partner, Andrew. So this is PiOsu, our version of Osu, but implemented for the Pi PiTFT touchscreen. So Osu is a rhythm game where you basically have to click the notes to the beat as they appear. We took advantage of the unique touchscreen properties of the Pi PiTFT to make this an interesting game experience beyond what you'd get in the native version on the PC. So let's get into it. To start, we run our game by simply invoking this Python driver script, and it brings us to a two-tiered menu. So obviously, we click Start to continue. I'll be using a stylus here because we find that this is actually the best for the most precise touch inputs on the PiTFT screen. And here we have a dynamically scrolling level selector. So this first level test is just for developmental purposes, but we have two actual levels that are programmatically generated from beatmaps for the most popular Osu songs. And so a beatmap is basically a list of points in time that denote when notes should appear. So let's start by playing Blue Zenith, our personal favorite of the two, or the less annoying of the two. So there are two mechanics in our game. There are these circles that appear that you have to click as either the halo shrink or to the beat. But we also have this slider mechanic, which is pretty self-explanatory. You can see I was a bit imprecise there with my sliding, so that point was counted, that note was counted as a failure. We have a simple scoring system for this game. Basically, you correctly hit notes at the right timing, or you complete the slide accurately, you get the points. If you miss it, you get no points.